what is the working area of DG shipping? Because many of the seafarers, even today, they don't know what things DG shipping is handling.
We are more concerned for the safety at sea than environment compliance, welfare of seafarer, and we are bound to follow the international standard.
What checks one has to do when he is selecting an institution for a training?
The basic safety course fees range between 10,000 to 18,000 in India. But instead of paying 10,000 to 18,000 because they are not guided properly, and this awareness is not, in the rural areas and all, so they get cheated through these agents. The agents and all, those who cheat, those who do all kind of frauds, so they generally take around between 2 lakh to 4 lakh, sometimes 5 lakhs also from these innocent aspirant candidates.
GP rating ki fees itself not more than 3 lakhs in the
3
best
lakhs.
institutes.
Correct.
Before joining ship, what checks one has to carry? This especially for the newcomers.
So with my experience,
Welcome to Sailor Talk. The podcast navigates to the fascinating story of Merchant Navy. Today, I am sitting with the Deputy DG Director, and we're gonna talk about Know Your DG Shipping. There are so many wrong information on our social media about DG Shipping, their working, their culture. So today, we will try to bust all the myths about DG Shipping. Let's dive to this story for next 1 hour. Welcome to the show, sir.
yeah, hello everyone. Hello to yourself.
Thank you, sir.
I am Deependar Singh Bisen. I am Deputy Director General in Directorate General of Shipping. I was holding earlier a portfolio of training, IT, governance, merchant shipping law, and personal. Right now I am having finance, account, public procurement, personal, and part of training also.
Sir, I would like to ask one thing here. As you are holding IT and all this stuff, nowadays so many changes are happening with the DG shipping. But before that, sir, what is the working area of DG shipping? Because many of the seafarers, even today, they don't know what things DG shipping is handling.
So yeah, that's a good question. Actually, Directorate General of Shipping is a national regulatory maritime body. And I want to share this information, which is, I should say it's a very proud moment for all seafarer, for the entire country as well, that recently MS Act came into existence. Last week, our Honorable President of India, she has assented to this act. And through this MS Act now, this DG shipping has now been, the nomenclature has been changed to DGMA.
Yeah.
So now it is Directorate General of Maritime Administration. With this, it is not only the change of name, rather it will bring many responsibilities, and even lot of new verticals will be coming in the directorate. We have proposed lot of verticals. In the coming years, you will be going to witness lot of changes there in the directorate. We will be widening our scope. We will not be keeping ourselves limited only to the regulatory part, limited to the engineering, nautical, and naval arc. Rather, in all these three technical wings, we are going to expand, and there will be more focus on sustainability.
So this is about the new act which came in a force. I think the last one is 1958, right?
Yeah, last one is 1958. And just want to share, when you have asked what DG shipping is. So the Directorate General of Shipping is a regulatory body, is a national maritime administration. We are more concerned for the safety at sea than environment compliance, welfare of seafarer, and we are bound to follow the international standard. So this is what, in a nutshell, what DG shipping is. And then if you will see DG shipping, inside DG shipping, we are divided into broadly four wings. First one is the administration wing, and within administration there are multiple branches from IT, governance, training, crew, etc., etc. Then we have engineering wing, nautical, followed by naval architect wing.
These are four major
Yeah,
wings.
4 wings. Now with the DGMA, with the coming of DGMA, all wings will be now redesignated as a separate, different, with the different names and all.
Okay.
Because the scope and things will be going to change.
Okay. So
Yeah.
the entire scope and working area also will be changing in the upcoming time, right, sir?
Yeah, I mean to say we will be continuing what we are doing
Right now.
present.
Okay.
And then with the additional scope, yes,
Okay.
it is going to change.
Okay, sir. Sir, my next question is about, as you are handling training, what checks one has to do when he is selecting an institution for a training?
Yeah, this is one of my favorite. I should rather compliment you that even I would like to request you to ask me this question because
Sir, why I asked? Because nowadays social media is spreading a lot of misinformation. Instead of right things, wrong things are going to the ears of the new aspirants. And the easy things are always adopted fast.
yeah, you are right. So on this, I would like to share a few information with you. First thing is that yes, there are a lot of rumors when it comes to social media, and even before I delve into this, your reply to your question, even we have put one video how to avoid fraud. When you are going to take admission in any approved maritime training institute, how to avoid fraud. That video is there on DG Shipping social media handles, including YouTube. Now, this why I have told you this, that this question is too important for any aspirant. First of all, in India, there are many fake institutes. So they have to be aware of those institutes, especially in areas like Rajasthan, close to Jaipur, close to Chandigarh, and then in some part of UP as well as
मतलब जो इंडिया के अंदर का एरिया
India के अंदर का area. So the modus operandi of these agencies, they share, very promising jobs and all. They show that you will get these many dollars and you will get this kind of lifestyle, this, that, and they give a very, it's a very large,
life.
large picture of, employment and all. And ultimately what they do, they put them into some kind of warehouse or some kind of very, very shady places.
in the name of institute.
In the name of institute. After some time, they send them to some approved DJ's approved institute for the basic safety course, which is just 14 days course.
This STCW course.
STCW basic safety course. And after completing this 14 days course, definitely they will get CDC and all. So the agents and all, those who cheat, those who do all kind of frauds, so they generally take around between 2 lakh to 4 lakh, sometimes 5 lakhs also from these innocent aspirant candidates.
जबकि GP rating की fees itself not more than 3 lakhs in the
3
best
lakhs.
institutes.
Correct. So they land up into so much of issues that they generally come from a very, very poor background. So they sometimes take loan and all. That's how they pay these fees. And if you will ask me, the basic safety course fees range between 10,000 to 18,000 in India. But instead of paying 10,000 to 18,000 because they are not guided properly and this awareness is not, in the rural areas and all, so they get cheated through these agents. Now what happened when they get cheated and somehow they come to know that DG Shipping is there, then they approach us. By that time they lose
Later
the
on,
entire...
after paying money and everything, then they approach DG Shipping.
Correct. So by that time they lose their money, time, everything. So I say in last, I will not say last 10 years, but in last couple of years also, we have seen so many cases. So then generally what DG shipping do in these cases? See, I will, from this platform, I would like to share, with the all the aspirants that first of all, your primary responsibility is to visit DG shipping website, which is dgshipping.gov.in.
I will put the link also.
Yeah. And through that website, if you will go to training branch section, you can go to drop down menu and there is an approved maritime training institute list. From that list, you can verify whether that institute is approved or not approved. Even in case if we have suspended, a suspension kind of thing will appear just
Next to
the
institute
name of that institute. There are many other things which I will add on. I will go back to the previous this thing where I was discussing about when they get cheated, they end up in paying lakhs of rupees. See, what DG shipping generally do in such cases is, first of all, the candidate has to approach local authority, local police and all, because they have to file FIR or whatever they want. It has to be done from that side only, because DG shipping cannot do the policing thing. So what generally we do from the Directorate General of Shipping level is, we write letters directly to the Chief Secretary and Director General of Police.
Okay.
And even to the Commissioner of that city,
Okay.
Commissioner of Police to that city, that so-and-so institute has done so much of fraud and they have cheated this candidate. So kindly examine this and take appropriate action as per the prevailing law. So these things we take, but see, these all are things what I expect from the present seafarer also, that they should spread awareness about the approved maritime training institute. The aspirant should not land up in the fraud institute in all. So even from Directorate General of Shipping, we are trying to bring more and more awareness through our social media channel. We are even visiting to schools also these days, but being limited number of resources with us, so we cannot target all schools, large number of schools in India. So we are targeting at least 1 or 2 tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities in one state. So that is limited, but still we are trying from our side that, we should try to bring more and more awareness about this, so that no aspirant who want to start his career in Merchant Navy land up in such issues, and then
where he will lose his peace of mind also.
Loss his peace of mind, and that brings bad name also to Merchant Navy, because he will also go and say these kind of things are happening. So we want to get rid of all these fraud agents and all.
So sir, here is the first thing. Before joining at sea, check the institute name on the DG shipping website.
Right.
If it is approved, it will show there. If it is suspended, then it will also reflect there.
Right. Can I add one additional
Yes,
additional information on this? This information is for the candidates, those who are looking for pre-C courses after completion of their 12th. When they appear for IMU CET and when they clear, my advice to all the aspirants is, before joining any DG shipping approved maritime training institute, what they should look for. First of all, I will request them to visit our DG shipping website, which is dgshipping.gov.in.
So this is for the cadets.
This is for the
IMUCT
aspirants, yes, those who want to take admission. Even before appearing for this IMU CET also, they can do a kind of analysis by visiting our website, and then they can go to two things. First of all, from the drop down, they can check whether this particular institute is approved or not. Now, the two very important factors which I want to highlight here is, first is the CIP grading of that Maritime Training Institute.
Okay.
So presently,
sorry, what is CIP stand for?
Yeah, I will give you. The CIP stand for Comprehensive Inspection Program.
Okay.
In this, the recognized organization or MMD, they carry out a comprehensive inspection program of a maritime training institute.
Okay, sir.
This grading system is similar like university are also graded through NAC
Ranking.
and all.
Yeah.
So here the grading is based on the quality of faculty, the quality of infrastructure, then student intake.
Okay.
Third is the placement, the shipboard training of that institute. And there are multiple factors like faculty development program, whether that institute is involved in any kind of research work, whether that institute has given any importance, to so what is their feedback system, whether they have their sports and extracurricular activities, etc., etc. So in all, if you will see, there are 10,000 points for
Okay.
this grading.
Okay.
Out of this 10,000 points, 5,000 exclusively for shipboard training,
Okay.
which, if I want to say in a layman's, this thing is about the placement. So it is mandatory for a pre-C maritime training institute to provide shipboard training to that admitted candidate. Once he complete his course, it is the responsibility of that maritime training institute to provide shipboard training to that candidate. Now, my suggestion here to the student, before you join any maritime training institute approved by DG Shipping, please go and verify shipboard training status. So first is CIP. Through CIP also you can make out very clear if any pre-C maritime training institute is graded A1, that means they must be having shipboard training above 80%, 80-85%.
Okay.
Second is, recently we have, say on this 25th of this September, there was one symposium, one conference was there, where we have launched CIP report.
Yes.
So CIP report is available on our website. There you can verify, you can see which institute has graded what. So A1 is the best, outstanding, followed by A2, then B1, B2, and C1 and C2.
Okay.
So C2 is the last grade. So generally, those who got C2 is the worst grade. So we keep eye on those kind of. So if you will see, out of so many 170 plus institutes we have, precisely 176. Out of that 176, 90, around 90, 80, 90, between 80 to 90, we have pre-C institutes. So the A1 grades are around 50 to 60%, followed by A2 and all. C1, hardly one or two institute, and they are under continuous vigil of MMDs. So candidates have to see, and we are also working on a very, very important and interesting report, which is again on shipboard training.
Okay.
So this we are expecting to come up maybe next month. So if any aspirant or any candidate or any faculty or anybody in the industry wants to check this institute, whether what is the status of this institute in terms of shipboard training. So for example, XYZ is the name of the institute, and they are conducting this BSc Nautical Science, or for example DNS or BE Marine Engineering. So what is the status of the batch which has been passed out in 2023 with XYZ institute? What is the shipboard training within 15 months and till date?
Okay.
So these kind of analysis we are doing in DG Shipping, which we will be coming out very soon.
So, sir, this is little bit of lengthy, but it is still worth wasting money, wasting energy, and you are ending up where you don't want to be.
Correct.
So, if anybody is going for institute, check on the DG website, then check the grading system. If it's a A+, then it will be a very good, and followed by till C. If it's a C, don't join.
Correct. So we also get sometime, a request. Rather, I should not say it's a request. It's a grievance from seafarer cadets when they pass out from such institute where they fail to provide them shipboard training. They approach DG Shipping. So in that case, we generally write back to that Maritime Training Institute stating that this is mandatory and all. So they do take some time, some kind of measures and all, but not every time. So I will again urge to all the cadets that before joining institute, please verify CIP, please verify shipboard training percentage, and then take a informed decision. In case if you want to, still if you are interested to join B1, B2 or C1, then you should be aware that your percentage of getting shipboard
Is less.
training is not on a higher side.
Sir, followed by this one, many candidates after rating or cadetship, they are paying a on the name of sponsorship, they are paying a money.
So on this also I will say something like, yes, we have a policy. Prior to 2016, there was a ban. I don't know whether you are aware or not. There was a ban. We are not allowing any maritime training institute to open, nor we are allowing any new institute to come and open for the pre-C courses. But then a decision has been taken at the higher level, where the decision has been taken in a view that let market plays its own role. Why we should stop any interesting party to open an institute? So now in the open market, it is all competitiveness. But when it comes to the shipboard training, yes, I will request to all such cadets, those who are not finding or getting this shipboard training, they should write to us.
Okay.
Now, earlier I understand that,
So, sir, here I want to say DG shipping is very open.
yes, we are very open. Just want to share with you, because I hope, with this, we will get more and more feedback, actual feedback. So when we will come to the Seafarer section, then I will discuss more about the helpline number.
Yes.
But for training, we have a dedicated helpline number, which is not 24/7, but it is on working days. It is from 9:30 to 6 o'clock during the working hours. So here I would like to suggest that in case if a candidate is not getting this shipboard training, they should write to DG Shipping. Now with the new website, it is very easy to find training branch, and in training branch, all officers and staff branch mail IDs are mentioned there. They should mention their Maritime Training Institute name, their batch number, and when they have completed this course, and then about their grievance, since when he is waiting for the shipboard training. So all these things when we will receive, definitely we will take appropriate measure against that institute.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
So this is the perfect answer. Actually, the phone thing is all seafarer are complaining the phone never answers. But I think the mail is the perfect, because we can understand sometimes phone cannot be answered to all. But yes.
No, now things have changed.
Okay.
So now I'm not talking about the landline phone.
Okay.
This phone is a mobile phone
Okay.
dedicated only for the training branch. If somebody is not receiving, then also they can write a mail to us. We will take action against that particular assigned, employee, because we have taken this number and mobile just for the students, candidates only, for the seafarers only. It is dedicated for them only. So in case of any query, in case of any grievance, in case of any complaint, they should call. They can send even WhatsApp messages to this. So it is up to the convenience of the seafarer, up to the convenience of the cadet and candidate, that they can send WhatsApp, they can call on that mobile number, and then send a mail also. So this we have just recently started, a week back.
Okay.
So yes, we start getting a lot of calls. They can even, say once they submit their grievance and all, they can always take they can always again they can call and they can check the status of their grievance and all. Yes. So definitely they will get the reply.
Sir, followed by this one. The next one is before joining ship, what checks one has to carry? This especially for the newcomers.
So with my experience, what I have seen and what I have understood even from my colleagues, those who are seafarer, that before joining ship, first of all, you have to see whether, again, like the way I have just mentioned about verifying the MTI, they should know that the RPS through which they are going to join the ship, whether it is an authorized or not. Whether it is, if it is authorized, they have to check the status whether it is active or suspended. So they should know the genuineness of that RPS first of all. Second important thing is about their article of agreement,
Contract.
contract, CBA. When they are signing this, I'm not saying that everyone, but generally people sign
Blindly.
blindly without reading all the terms and condition. So they should properly read all those terms and condition and sign. Third, very important, that they, before joining the ship, they should know their rights also under MLC. There are many rights, whether it is their rest hour, whether it is whatever, they should know all details about their rights. Fourth thing is, which is very important, not from his own perspective, but from other seafarer perspective also. So suppose if he is going on board, there may be other Indian seafarer, there may be other nationalities also. So now we have a dedicated 24/7 helpline number in DG shipping. This is I'm talking about for the seafarer. Earlier I was talking about
the
helpline
training.
number for the training institute only.
This is a different
Limited.
number.
This is a different number. We are in a process of putting a team for 24/7, but still we are addressing all grievances. We have a escalating matrix also. So suppose in case if somebody is putting a complaint, grievance, and if it is not addressed, then it will escalate to next level, and then further it escalate to the Deputy Director General crew. So these kind of escalation matrix is already there. 24/7 team is coming. Those they are sitting, they will be addressing, keep taking note of all these grievances, maintaining the data, analyzing. We will be analyzing data also. What kind of general
Things are happening.
grievances we are receiving and all. And the last but not the least, which is very, very, very important, is what I will suggest seafarer before joining on board, that they have to follow whatever has been taught. Moreover, DG shipping is also also in process of issuing videos on casualty investigation,
Scenario based.
case study based, etc., etc. There are even coming. We will even right now we are working on those things, but in future we will be coming up with lot of animated videos also. Lot of accidents happen on board, so they should see all these things instead of wasting time on mobile seeing other things. They should be very, very careful while going on board, that they should not commit the same mistake what has been done earlier by their own
Colleagues
or
seniors.
senior seafarers, because the kind of fatality and all, it's very, very serious. So they have to be very, very careful. These 4 advice are from my side before they join on board.
Sir, I had a series of questions, and this is from the one session. Seafarers stuck on board and their family don't know what to do. I read the crew annual report. Very fine thing. One advantage suite, I think. One of the seafarer wife wrote a mail to you, and the matter is solved. It took some time, but it is solved.
So on this also, if suppose in case if a seafarer is stuck any part of globally in any part of the globe, so their family, next to kin, they can approach directly to DG shipping. They can write, now whom to write this mail. So they should write email to DDG crew.
DDG crew.
Deputy Director General crew. His email ID is given again in our DG Shipping website. And new website, it is very clearly mentioned, all the
Sir,
websites.
with this
All-
podcast also, I will mention all the IDs below where it is falling. Like earlier 2 numbers, it will be mentioned there, and this mail also down below.
Right. Other than this email ID of DDG crew, I have to just mention that 24/7 helpline number is there. Immediately they can call on that helpline number. They will get some kind of response if they are satisfied. In these cases, I will tell you, generally it takes time. It depends upon the complexity of the case. In case of any eventuality on board, in case of any accident on board, in case of any abandonment, in case of any criminalization, by seafarer and all, in all such cases, DG shipping is always proactive. Even being proactive, cases like criminalization when some seafarer, because of some act, has been put behind bars, in some other country, to bring back require lot of intervention from MEA, from our embassy there, So in these, generally time period is depend upon
There
case
is no
to
timeline. It will be solved, but it will
depend from case to case. But from DG shipping, yes, they can they can on a regular basis they can take status, and as now one good thing happened that 24/7 helpline number is there, center is there. So definitely I won't feel that now from now onwards any seafarer is going to face any difficulty when it comes to information from the directorate.
So this is good steps which is taken by DG Shipping for the seafarer. So the next, it is very direct questions actually. Can open CDC guys give exam?
See, open CDC means, what I understand is a candidate who has done just by this
By
five
course.
basic safety STCW basic safety training course. After this course, yes, if they, as per STCW convention, if they meet the sea time and if they meet all the standards, yes, they can appear for any. For further courses, yes, they can.
Okay, sir. Sir, next to it,
Yes.
because this is the series by the social media is 40 plus less there. They are using LinkedIn, but the newcomers all are in Instagram. So this is from them. The new digital era, AI is taking over. Is there any futuristic changing for the examination purpose for the second mates or the third engineers?
See, there are two aspects. What I can understand from your question is, first is examination, and the other thing is syllabus.
Yes,
Both
sir.
are different.
Yes, sir.
So let us take one by one. So in syllabus, right now, as I don't know whether you are aware or not, what mostly people they are aware that this present STCW convention is under revision. And at IMO, one subcommittee is there, HTW, Human Element Training and Watchkeeping subcommittee is there. So already a lot of submissions are taking place from all member states. The total time period is between 2029-30. The new STCW convention, I mean to say, will come.
The changes will come.
A lot of competencies are going to be amended, revised, new competency are going to be added. So from DG Shipping, DGMA point of view, yes, we will be making amendment as and when there will be any changes done at that level. Recently, I will give you, for example, that last year we have made changes in GMDSS course. Some changes are there in ACTIS. PSSR also recently one additional competency and one additional chapter is to be added, which is against prevention against harassment on board, sexual harassment, sexual assault, especially against female seafarer, or for that instance, any seafarer. So these changes, yes, and we are quite active also. Whenever there is change, we always come up with circular and we implement in all our approved maritime training institute. Having said that, I would also like to request, in case if any seafarer,
Senior, junior, whoever.
senior, junior, whosoever, even faculty, even retired seafarer, or whosoever is having interest in this, if he feels or if she feels that yes, this is the big change what has happened, and this is what internationally has been accepted but is missing here in India, we are very, very open. We are very open for the feedbacks and all. Please do write to us. We will internally examine, and if there is anything which has been left out, we will add. Now coming to the examination of competency. So for competency examination, present system, everyone is aware because they are going through it. There will be a very big change, yes. We are already initiated. We have already initiated, which we say in D-shipping, examination reform in COC. So we generally divide in DG shipping. I'm not saying. So we divided examination. COC examination is there. Then there is a rating examination conducted by BES, and the third is exit examination, which is
For
conducted at the level MTI level, which is online. Yeah, online exit examination. So I'm discussing about the examination for COC. So for your information, we have just started as a pilot project. We have started with examination center in Noida. What we have done is we have put a lot of hardware and infrastructure there. So a screen will be there. So a question paper will pop up in that screen. Candidate has to write. His answer sheet will be scanned, and through randomization, it will be allotted to the examiner. He will not come to know which candidate answer sheet is this. He will evaluate, give marks, and again, it will come to our database. This is just, we have started since April 2025, recently. This installation of all hardware and all completed just around 2 weeks back. So we are in the process of, so we have just started. It will take maybe a couple of years to complete this end-to-end digitization of this examination for COC. Once this will be completed, the entire process will be digitized, and it will be very, very easy for all the seafarer, to book the seats, to appear for the examination, to appear for the orals. And presently they are facing, I know, because when I was there in IT and e-governance, I used to get a lot of, mails from the seafarer cadets that they are not able to book seats because of so-and-so reason. They are waiting for 2 months, not getting the seat, availability of seat and all. So we are even increasing the number of seats. So like, for example, MMD Vizag is coming up with examination center.
Sir, is there any plan to open MMD in Chandigarh?
It is too futuristic. I don't know about Chandigarh, but I am aware that there are many seafarers there in Chandigarh and
means the entire
correct.
the nearby states.
So we will see, but yes, right now we don't have any proposal for Chandigarh, but yes, because we have lot of proposal for new MMDs, we are working on those. Whenever they will be notified, it will come to the notice of everyone.
Sir, I really want to appreciate for one thing when I am taking this session. Now the orals are online. Means you don't have to appear personally. It is just online. But again, like in India, we are always complaining. We can do only online, or the offline is still open, sir?
Yes, it's a good question. Yes, it is still open. But I see this end-to-end digitization examination also includes a lot of, everything, whatever we are doing, if you will broadly see, all these reforms and all is for the convenience of the seafarer.
Candidate.
We will maintain our standard. what we are maintaining, and for that only we are recognized worldwide.
Yes,
Our
sir.
examination system, our COC and all. But when it comes to orals, yes, presently it's online. In future, it can be hybrid. It can be physical only.
Okay.
But in case if we are coming up with physical, it is going to be again with all the digitization. I would say the system itself will give random examiners. They will ask question, evaluate, and everything will be transparent and seamless. The process will be there.
Sir, earlier you said the new hardware installation in Noida. Sir, this will also help to get the result, examination result faster, the written.
Yes, in future, yes.
Okay.
That is what our aim also, objective also. So it's not only examination result, everything. This will bring more and more transparency, more and more. The entire application will become more and more seamless, so that seafarer will not face any kind of issues. Presently, they may be facing some kind of technical glitch here and there. So it will become seamless, transparent, and very user friendly.
So next 2 years will be a very important for digi
Yes.
shipping and for the Indian seafarers.
Yes, but they don't have to bother much about, because when I have interacted with some of the chief mate cadets, and then chief mate and some senior level,
Management.
management level officers, they were quite worried about whether we have to type, on a keyboard and all sorts of things. As of now, there is no such policy where we will be going to convert the entire thing where candidate has to type. Whenever if we are coming in with any of such things, we will give sufficient time to the seafarer to accommodate to such, technology and all. It is never going to happen all of a sudden.
Within a minute
yeah.
just we decided tonight
Yes,
and tomorrow it,
is-
will be in a
is not
force.
going to- yeah.
Sir, moving to next one, sir. Employment is always a big concern, although India reaches to, I think, 3.1 lakhs seafarer in 24-25. And we are having two aims. One is 2030 and another one is 2047. Sir, how this...
You are right. So we are close to 4 lakh seafarer, which is almost, I think, second largest seafarer supplying nation globally. And as per Maritime India Vision 2030,
2030.
yes, so our target, presently we are supplying 12% of the global seafarer. So our aim, our goal is to increase this 12% to 20%. So from 12% to 20%. Now your question is very pertinent here. Then presently also there is a very big challenge for the employment. So how we are going to balance it? So when we study lot of reports, international reports, there always we see that in future there will be a requirement, whether it is Europe or any part of the world, there will be a big gap in demand and supply. It is going to happen, Presently also it is there. But all shipping companies, they always look for quality seafarer. India is producing quality seafarer. There is no doubt in this. Now, some of the seafarer, they are not getting shipboard training is maybe because of the course which they have selected, in the sense the institute which they have selected and all. Secondly, as per what I have also gone through the reports and all, there is going to be a deficit of around 30 to 40,000 seafarer globally in coming years. So that's why this is the best time India should put as best effort to achieve this MIV 2030 goal from 12% to 20%.
20%.
Yes. And I see a good future, brighter future for all our seafarers, especially those who are, still studying in pre-sea courses and all, for the cadets and all, that they are going to get, employment in this merchant navy. Yes.
Sir, 2030 and 2047. So these are our two aims to reach on our maximum.
Yes. Amrit Kal vision is 2047.
But sir, here is a one complaint. They are always a mismatch. The numbers we are producing and the numbers getting job, and the freshers, they are the one who is struggling.
So I will tell you, if you will see, again, I'm coming back to the same. So if you will see, because we have lot of data available with us in DG Shipping, in which we are sharing now, we will be putting for everyone. So in this shipboard training, when we will be coming up with this report, if you will see, there are many institutes, they are providing 100% shipboard training. 100%.
100%.
They are not leaving even a single candidate, and it's not, because generally I will tell you one thing good. You have asked this question. At times I have seen, even in social media, sometimes I get comments, that you are only supporting and talking about the Maritime Training Institute supported by their own shipping companies, because they are having shipping companies. That's why they are providing this 100%. This is not correct. There are many institute. Again, I'm repeating. There are many institute. They are not having any shipping companies of their own, but they are giving 100% placement, 100% shipboard training.
So those are A1.
Yes, I can name them also. But what I will suggest, you go to this report whenever it is going to be made live, most probably next month. You will come to know which institute I am referring here.
Okay.
Even IMU, Indian Maritime University, mostly all of them are graded A1. They are also very close to 90s, 90%, above 90% they are
Placement.
giving shipboard training. Yes. And similarly, other institutes also, they are, so whosoever will put efforts is definitely will be, they will become successful and will be able to provide this shipboard training.
Sir, we have talked a lot about this section, and now we'll move to the next one. Sir, what all are the provision for the funds for the seafarers? Because it is very difficult to get even insurance for the seafarer.
Correct. So here there are two big things which I would like to share. One is SWFS, which is Seafarer Welfare Fund Society. The other one is Seafarer Provident Fund Office, SPFO. So I will request all seafarer to please visit SWFS website, to visit and to see the different policies they are having. I mean to say, there are so many. Even few of them I was not aware few days back.
Okay.
So recently there was a symposium on seafarer.
Seafarer welfare and rights.
So there, one of senior DDG, he was making a presentation.
Amina sir, I think.
Captain Nitin Mukesh.
Captain Nitin.
So he is member secretary to SWFS presently. So when he has displayed, so even I was amazed, there are so many schemes for seafarer, whether it is for the education of the kids of seafarer, in the case of any eventuality, death and all, in case of any loan, etc. So there are multiple schemes under this SWFS, like survivor benefit scheme is there, then invalidity benefit scheme is there, family benefit welfare scheme is there, and for every scheme eligibility criteria and the amount is mentioned. And one is maternity benefit scheme is there. I think many of the female seafarers, they are not even aware of this. Award to meritorious child of seafarer is also there. So, and there are death on board benefit scheme, ex gratia support benefit scheme is there.
So means it is covering more and less all what people are getting on a shore in any other department while they are serving in a government sector.
Right. So there are multiple schemes, but only thing is that there is a lack of awareness.
Lack of awareness.
So seafarers are not aware that these schemes are also available. So I will, from this forum, I will request seafarer. They can apply online also. The contact number of SWFS is available on our website. The concerned officer and the staff number is also available on website. In case if they are not able to apply online, they can approach to these officers and staff. They will definitely guide them, you know.
So it's important to visit a website and have a look on that. And now they can do everything digitally. They don't have to visit physically.
Correct. So they can visit our website, and further even the 24/7 helpline number is also there.
Okay.
So
So,
they
now,
can-
now everything we had 24/7.
So they can take help of, they can use this helpline number also.
Sir, as we spoken a lot before this about the training and all this, the next thing, it is very fascinating for me. If you had a 60-second to spend with the each Indian seafarer before joining ship, what would you suggest for them?
I will always suggest them take all safety precaution on board. Be smart. Always alert. Be very polite, humble, and on board, because you have to work with multinational, with Indians, including Indians, everybody. You have to show, camaraderie there. And yes, these all qualities, what, even shipping companies, they look for. I think unlike all other profession, here you need courage also. So that is over and above all. So I salute, all seafarer. And from my heart, I through this forum, I wish all the seafarers, those who are going to join this onboard ship, all the very best to them. They may excel and they may achieve whatever they desire for. Thank you so much.
It is very inspiring, sir. It is very inspiring. Sir, one decision which is taken by a DG Shipping in the last year. Last year means in the some time ago, which will affect seafarers' life, and you felt this will be a game changer.
For seafarer, I will tell you, most of the things, whatever we do in DG shipping is for seafarer. But with the present DG sir, Shri Shyam Jagannathan sir, he has initiated rather two big flagship initiative, Sagar Mein Yog and Sagar Mein Samman. Sagar Mein Yog is for the mental wellness of a seafarer. It is not just only mental wellness, it is a component of 10 different 10 different subjects, which completes full spectrum of seafarer. Sagar Mein Samman is again honoring fellow seamen there, especially the female seafarer.
And now we had a very good ratio, 50:1.
So on that also, I would like to say something. India has seen a sharp increase in female seafarer. Around 175% increase is there.
175.
Yeah. So if you will see earlier, the female, I have a data since 2014 onwards. That time, because DG Shipping also through MTT, we provide scholarship. This scholarship is for all female seafarer, irrespective of any course, any pre-sea course. So I have seen recently from just mere 15-20 female candidate all over India has gone up to somewhere around 700-800 per year. So which is, I would say, very big number, welcoming number. And we feel proud also because in this sector, yes, I mean to say this change is required. And even shipping companies, they do promote a lot by recruiting female seafarer as their first priority. So if you will see, mostly all the female seafarer, they get placed on board.
Sir, this is a very positive thing for the Indian seafaring that now we will have the female seafarers. Earlier it was from the Europe. Most of the female seafarers are coming from there, but now is a big shift to 170%.
Yes, of course, it is a big shift, and it is a collective efforts. I would say it is everybody is promoting, be it DG shipping, be it shipping companies, be it Maritime Training Institute, and then even unions also. So sometime in when I attend some seminar, or when I go and discuss with seafarer and all, with the director and principal of the Maritime Training Institute, they share the information that female seafarer, they are getting scholarship not only from DG shipping but from shipping companies. Generally, shipping companies, they take responsibility of the entire course fees. There are many such scholarship available for the female seafarer. So
That is a good news, sir.
Yeah, only challenge is still they face challenge within family, within their colleagues and all. So yes, that is still there.
So that is in every field actually.
That is in every field, but in this field, yes, it is more. So this, I think, will go with time, but I think with more and more awareness, the key thing is more and more awareness. Through your channel, your platform, I will request you that in case if you will get chance, just try to take interview from maybe few female seafarer.
Sir, you recommend us, we will approach them.
Yeah, there are so many. So you can, I mean, say whosoever want to share her story, So when any female seafarer will share her story, then the new aspirant girls, they're studying in maybe class 7th, 8th, 9th standard or whatever, they will try to connect. So this is what is required actually if we want really to promote, because we have to bring
more. Of course,
more.
sir, I will tell, just put a comment, a name below, whoever want to come on my show, I will call, I'll conduct a podcast with them. So moving further, DG Shipping issuing a circular, and we will talk about this, the recent one, 31. I think on social media, it is took on other side.
Yeah, actually, you are right, absolutely right. People have misunderstood this circular 31 of 2025. Moreover, there are a lot of social media through people and all, they have misguided. So I will suggest all the seafarers, those who are concerned with this 31 of 2025, they should read the clarification subsequently issued by, after this circular. And recently also the second clarification has been issued, where it has been clearly stated that it is not going to affect any genuine seafarer. Only in case when there is a committee in DG Shipping, they are verifying the documents. In case if they found that any document has been fudged or forged, against those seafarer only DG Shipping is going to take action. Otherwise, I don't think so there is any big issue, on this.
Sir, thank you very much. Thank
pleasure.
you to giving us time, and you really explained well, which we are looking for. And I hope in future we will connect again and we will talk more.
Yeah, definitely. My pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much. And my good wishes to all the seafarers.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much.